guys, I'm not going to extend this data more. I'm just gonna leave this file, and now we are going to work with bringing another things. Of course, I'm gonna put in the HTML some other stuffs, and you will see that we are going to get some other, this is gonna be much more better, much more elegant, right? I'm gonna just leave right now. I suppose you understood how all this works right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna Control A, Control copy all the data, and I'm gonna create right now a new file, come on, or create here weather 1, okay, .js. I'm gonna put all this data here, Control paste, okay. I'm just gonna close the weather right now. I don't want. I will go here, Control copy this, weather 1. Put 1 here. We don't have 1 yet. I'm just gonna copy this, paste. I'm just gonna put 1 here and disable this. Right. Also disable this if you want. Weather 1. Let's deal with weather 1. Also, I'm gonna put here 1 and also here 1. Okay. And now we are dealing with a new file. We don't break the old file. We got the first file, okay, as an option, and we are going to deal with the other file. Let's right now, guys, go and create. We need to go here in our HTML to create some inputs. All right. Okay, let's go here right now. After the weather data here, go and create div dot input, right? We need to put here a label. Okay, let's not write something. I'm gonna write here search. Okay, where I can see anything. Okay, here is search. Then we need to put div dot input input btn. Yes. After this, let's go and create the actual input. Is gonna be a text. Okay. Also, we need to put here a placeholder. Is gonna be input city, blah blah blah. Okay. Then we need, after this, let's go here and put a button, right? We want here what, guys? We need the, okay, I'm not going to put, I'm just gonna leave it like this right now. I want to make a submit, or you can just write find location. Submit. I'm gonna send submit. Alright, this. Now let's go to app CSS. I want to complete a couple of things right now because I haven't completed all this thing. we were in the same dot weather data, okay, dot input, right? Let's put here margin bottom, yes, 30 pixels. Come on, yes, 30 pixels. Just gonna copy this, paste it, data, don't put the dot here, alright. We need no budget button, we need a color of, let's say, RGB. I'm gonna put, you can put whatever you like, all the same. Alright, let's also a font size of 20 pixels, right? Letter spacing is gonna be 0.1 rem. Okay. Oh, what I'm doing? Input mistake here. Okay, I'm just gonna let it. This is for a label, I suppose. Copy. Sorry, guys. Here we need. Okay, we need the input. I'm just gonna put a width of 100%, right? We need also a padding of 5 pixels, right? And a border of none. Okay. Okay. Input city, right? What else? Where I missed? Let's see. Let me see. Color RGB. We hope font size 20. Letter space 0.1. Padding bottom. Let's say 5 pixels. And let's put a font style of italic. Data input. No. Mistake. We need to put dot input and label. Let's see. Yes. Yes. Let's go to dot input btn. We need to have a pattern of border. It's gonna be none. Okay, I can't see anything. Border none. Dot input btn button. Also, we need to put here btn button hover. I need a hover of, come on, background. It's gonna be RGB 43. Okay, I'm just gonna copy the background. and we need right color is gonna be white. We need a font size. Let's put a font size of 17 pixels. And the padding, alright. Okay, I'm gonna write all the rest CSS. I don't want to deal with this right now, guys. .ct is gonna be letter spacing 0.1 rem. Okay, font size is gonna be 25 pixels. Yes, also font weight, let's make it bold, right? Font style italic, right? Dot text icon is gonna be display flex. Come on, reload. Display flex. Justify content sender. Let's put a font size of 25 pixels. Right, with this icon. Dot text icon. I'm gonna deal for a while with the image icon. img. I'm just gonna put a width of 60 pixels. Right, just did it a little bit big. Margin, right, let's put 5 pixels. Alright. Dot situation. Sorry guys, we are dealing right now with CSS moisture. Okay, let's put a font size of 20 pixels. Okay, I'm gonna give a letter spacing of 0.2 rem. Not bad. Also a font style. Okay. Let's also, okay, we don't have yet the select, but I don't want to come again later and dealing with CSS. So margin top is gonna be, we don't have dot select. Margin top is gonna be 10 pixels. The padding 5 pixels. Copy this, go here. I want to deal only with this. Let's put a display flex, okay, and justify content flex and we are almost finished, guys. Only I want here to put a media screen and mean width. Okay, it's gonna be, I'm gonna put this dot weather main, right? I'm gonna put here a position. We got the position. I think that is not okay. Mean width. Let's say let me see, margin 0, auto shade. Let's put a shade of pixel, margin top. Okay, nothing else. Dot weather main dot park. Let's put here a width. Okay, we got exactly the same width. It's gonna take the 100% and the height is gonna be again 4 pixels. Okay, right? We finished with this option. Control copy, paste it. Let's put, okay, I'm just gonna put this mean width, let's say, okay, shade, I'm gonna put 15. Okay, I don't want to deal right now with CSS again. Why this does not go here? Where is the mistake? Let me see. Okay, we got there. Let me stop for a while. Alright guys, let's go to in-app CSS. I forgot to put something here. We want the dot input btn, okay, and here just above the input btn button, put this. We want a display of flex, and look, right now we got it here. And also you can write a box shadow 1 pixel, 4 pixel. Let's put 1 pixel RGB. Okay, that was, we are ready to go and dealing with functionalities right now of weather. So let's go quickly and dealing with this functionality, guys, right? So we got here the use effect, use state. Let's go and put here const. We need a word that we want to write. Word set word is gonna be with use state, okay, and let's put here an empty string by default, right? Okay, I don't want all this right now, guys. Let's make it a little better. Okay, just write fetching data function. Okay, right now let's go here. We want to create, to deal with the input here. Inspect element, let's go in input right now. I'm just gonna create a const handle change equal with. Okay, I'm gonna put an event because we want to target and to change the word. We want the set word is gonna be e.target.value, right? And if we see right now the word in console log, look right now what is gonna happen. We got the word. If we write, we have also to put it, the handle change, copy this, in here in the input. We have to put the on change is gonna be equal with handle change, right? If I write something, look, of course nothing. Target, I made a mistake maybe. Let's see, target. Okay, right now I'm gonna write something. Look, we just write here what we see. Of course, you don't need to create a function in order, you can put the set state directly, but it's much more elegant here this way, guys. You can do something like this, just copy this, control copy, and you can create a self-invoke function. Let me show you. On change, you can just do this. Okay, and just put here the event. It's exactly the same. Let's see. If I write something, for example, blah 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 blah, let me reload it first. Blah 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 and something, and nothing happens. Also guys, I forgot to put the value here. Value is gonna be word. We need the value. Very important. Let me reload. Okay, if I try and write, okay, I can see what I'm writing here. The reason is that I have to, if you want to see it, you have to do this thing. You have to create it, this, put it here in order to put in another stuff, and then to put the log and put the word. Okay, let's write. Now it works. But did you see, guys, how nasty becomes all these things? If you put it another and another stuff, another, it's gonna be very nasty. A house here. So it's not a good way if you have many things here to put this word. So for this reason, I suggest it's better keeping this. Also, we need the value. The value, we need the value. Equal word. Okay. This way is much more better and elegant. Let's write again. I'm gonna reload first of all. Let's write. Okay, now it works. Nice. Okay, let's go right now. We want to bring, when we push the data, we need to bring another location that we are gonna write. Let's go and create a function, const. Let's write click place. Click place equal, yeah, we need the async because we want to make a request, const rest, or you know guys, we want exactly the same place here. let's go and take, we need all this data, we are gonna override. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna take, control copy all this, go here, let's see. Yes, laptop setting coming. Right. Okay, we make in the same place request, but look now what the trick is. So when we push the click place, let's take this, control copy, where is the click place? We want to put it here in button, on click, okay, equal with click place, right? Before doing this, just cut it in order to see that it works, the button. Cut it, log, come on, work. Okay, let's see if the button works. If I press, boom, work. Okay, it is functional. Delete this and paste again the things that we had previously. Okay, now we want to write something, and when we push, to see the new place here, the new data generally. In order to see this, what we have to do? We have to do a very quick, a very nice trick, guys. Go here in Paris and just delete this and just put write this. Now we are going to put dynamically the word here. Okay, that the thing that we want to appear, these things that we are gonna write here, that I showed you previously. Okay, and now if I press the button, let me see, if I write, for example, we got Paris right now, as you can see. Let me see. Initially we got Paris. If I write London and press enter, look, we got London. It works. If I write, let's write, what else? Athens. I'm gonna take Athens. Now, also if you want to press the enter after, also before doing something else, let me set word is gonna be empty after pushing the button, right? Okay, I'm gonna write London. If I press, boom, becomes empty and breaks the data. Cool. Right now, after this, what I want, let me see.